So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add scroll to top button in your Shopify store. So the first thing you want to do is open up your admin panel on Shopify. After that, you can see at the left side products, discounts, analytics, online store, apps, as well as settings. So from here, go to your online store, open that. And from here, you can see themes, pages, preferences. So from here, you can again see a couple of things. So you can see your theme library and stuff like that. And you should click on customize. After you've clicked on that, you can see a layout similar to this one. So you can see section, you can see image banner, section, stuff like that. And you can see app embeds. So you can find them through the Shopify App Store. So click on that. So if you don't feel like adding certain sections, so you need to explain and add code, that's fine. You can find a third-party tool. So if you just type in scroll to top, and you will see some apps which will be able to help you, like infinite scroll, scroll to top button. So this is right here. You can see also exo scroll to top, which is built for Shopify, and make sure that you get the apps which are built for Shopify. It will make it much easier for you to use the button. So you can click the install, which will take you to here, and then you can embed that button or app so you can use it on your store. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.